Alright guys, what's up? First up on the chopping block we have the LED light mousepad. I'll be putting a link to the product in the description if you're interested and you want to get one for yourself. So this comes with English instructions for control panel. It features 7 color dazzle color conversions, USB security interface, RGB color switching, environmental waterproof fabric, natural foaming rubber, and has a long service life. So let's open this so we can show you what it looks like in its entirety. This is my old mouse pad that my cat peed on, and one of the reasons why I ended up buying this one is because it's waterproof, so hopefully if he does pee on it in the future it won't soak into it. Also, RGB is life, and if you want optimal performance from your gaming station, then the more RGB you have, the better off you'll be, because more frames, more colors, you can't go wrong. So see some stuff falling out here. We have a instructional card that tells you what the different button presses do for the different color combinations. You can check that out. Hopefully that's focused enough for you guys. And then here we go with the design of the actual mousepad. A blue phoenix, as you could probably tell from my previous mousepad underneath. Blue is my favorite color, so I kind of went and got another blue mousepad. Also comes with a braided USB cable for you to connect right there, so you can have that USB RGB functionality. So that's everything that comes in the box. So if you're interested in this item, once again, like I said, feel free to check the description. Link to the product will be down below. This is what everything looks like once it's all plugged in. You got the RGB going ham. You got the charging dock right there going ham. You got the mouse over here going ham. And you got your keyboard over here with your mouse pad going ham. All these lovely RGB lights.